Let's divide 284 by 2. Hey Math Explorers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome math adventures with Let's Stud. Alright, let's start dividing 284 by 2. First up, we look at the first digit 2. We're going to use the first digit 2 for this step. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2, perfect. Now we subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0, easy peasy. You got this, we're doing great. We've got the first digit of our answer. Time to bring down the next number. Next up, we bring down the 8. Now we have 8 as our new number to work with. We bring down the next digit, 8, and place it next to the remainder, 0. How many times does 2 go into 8? Let's count by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, that's 4 times. Let's check. 4 times 2 is 8, right on. Subtracting 8 from 8 gives us 0, woohoo. Fantastic work, you're a math superstar. We're on a roll, let's grab the last digit. Last but not least, we bring down the 4. This is our final digit. We bring down the last digit, 4, to join the remainder, 0. How many times does 2 fit into 4? Think of sharing equally. 2 for you, 2 for me, that's 2 times. Check it out, 2 times 2 is 4, exactly. Subtracting 4 from 4 leaves us with 0, we did it. You absolutely nailed it, high five. And that's all folks, we've divided 284 by 2 and found our answer. So 284 divided by 2 equals 142. Great job, we learned how to divide a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Remember, every step brings us closer to the answer. You crushed it, keep practicing and you'll be a long division pro in no time. Check out more videos on Let's Stud.